Okay, here I'm gonna try to flip it up to you. Ready? Whoa! Rowdy made the score! Drop it.
It is not even anything when I do it with them.
He will. Get over there, buddy, and I'll flip it up to you, and then you can hit it, and he'll go chase it. Whee! Get it, Rod.
Get it all the way up there, and you'll never get it. Find it all the way up to the edge.
Drop it, Rod.
What, babe? Hold on. Let me gotta watch Bun Bun for 1 second. Playing. Are you guys best buddies? Give him another huggy.
We are best buddies.
Are ya best buddies? You and Rowd?
Yeah.
Rowdy. Is it deep? He's so deep.
Everybody eating Cheerios?
Second, I took a shot of some Benadryl. We have kid Benadryl. I took a shot of that. I put some rubbing alcohol on it. Trying to kill whatever was it. Alright, I'm gonna go back outside. I only had a couple more strips of
No, Bun.